This is a JW showcase. Today I have a 2013 Chevy Silverado 3500H regular cab crane, 6-speed, rear-wheel drive. It's got a 6-liter engine, 8 cylinders. Quick shot of the cab. Remember folks, we can always get great financing opportunities or options here at JW Truck. Interest rates start as low as 3.75 with 0% money down, 100% financing options. No payments for 6 months on commercial financing. Tons of bins, tons of storage space on this truck. Let's give you all a quick peek. We also got the crane on top. Come check us out off 5000 Nelson Brogdon Boulevard, Sugar Hill, Georgia. You can always go to our website at jwtrucks.com or give us a call at 678-714-0008. No matter how you find us, get down here for great trucks at a great price.